everybody. Welcome to Luna Bakes. We have an extra special episode today because it is Valentine's Day. We're going to be making a Valentine's Day bouquet. Perfect to share with your Valentine. The things that you're going to need are tools. And what kind of tools do I need? My scooper, spoon, sticks, chocolate icing, crumble cake, brown, white, pink, and sprinkles. And strawberries. This first thing is going to do, I'm going to put the frosting in the crumble cake. This was 9-inch cake until it makes
tasty mud.
5 big tablespoons of chocolate frosting. This looks like poop. Then we're going to mix it together. I have no idea until it can hold a shape of a bowl. Once you get this all mixed up, and scooper time! After you had them scooped, you roll them into a bowl. Repeat all of them. You do it. We'll be back in a second. I step in chocolate, scrape off the extra, push it into the cake pop gently. Repeat until you're done. I'm so excited to eat them.
How many cake pops do you think you've eaten in your life?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I was 16 when I ate one. Chocolate is like glue, and you can eat it. Here's that cake. Once the sticks are rolled in the cake pops, we're going to pop them in the freezer for 20 minutes. While the cake pops are chilling, we're going to start chocolate covered strawberries. This is my favorite part of the show. First you have to peel these things, then you add a stick. You need sharp sticks. And then in chocolate. Then the sprinkles on the tray. Very careful. Okay. We're going to repeat the steps with the marshmallow. Feel this one. Once they're all trees covered, you pop them in the fridge for 15 minutes. We're gonna dip the cake pop! We're going to put it all together for the very special gift. Here we go. I hope you enjoy watching my video as much as I enjoy these cake pops.